Hello, today's video is going to be in English, and if you're back to the channel, then share this video with your friends, and if you're new here, you should subscribe and give a like to the video, because today we're going to talk about how Turkish tea is made in Turkey. In Turkey, the method of tea that they use is an oxidation method, so the teapot that they use is a double teapot, and it has two teapots in it. One is a bigger one and the other one is smaller. The one on the bottom is filled with the boiling water and the one on the top is filled with the black tea. In this clip, I'm gonna add the smaller one on top of the bigger one that has the boiling water in it so that the tea starts to boil. The teapot will stay onto the oven for a couple of minutes, more than 20 minutes probably, and it's gonna take a while for it to boil. After the 20 minutes has passed, you can see that the boiling water is now vaporing, so you take it off the oven. Now, since the tea is ready, we start pouring it into the cups. Usually you just pour 1/3 of the tea into the cup and then you pour the rest with boiling water, but it all depends on how you like your tea, and if you like it to be a bit heavier, then you can add more tea, then you can adding more water. Turkish people serve burak with their tea, but you can also have any types of biscuits around and you can serve them with your tea. Now that your tea is ready, you can also have sugar with your tea, and you can prefer not to. I prefer not to. Afiyet olsun.